How to review tags on a Facebook post. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Go to your profile at the top. Tap on the three dots beside Edit Profile. Then, go to Activity Log. Here, tap on your Facebook activity. Scroll down to the activity you're tagged in section. Then, tap on Manage Tags. Here, tap on Filters. Choose any filter from here. For example, Categories. Now, select Posts and Comments you're tagged in. From here, you can view the posts and comments that you're tagged in. Following these steps, you can easily review tags on a Facebook post.